The 5-door fastback captivates with a unique and vanguard design. The new Volkswagen face with full LED front lights and encompassing bonnet. A stretched, emotional sculpture with classic GT lines. And a masculine, dynamic look and feel due to its 20-inch wheels. The Arteon combines style with functionality. The top-hinged tailgate underlines the elegant car silhouette and improves everyday suitability. The masculine and dynamic appearance of the outside holds even more luggage space on the inside. The Arteon offers excellent room comfort and seating capacity thanks to the long wheelbase. The vehicle is equipped with the newest generation of assistance systems to provide more safety. More safety for other road users, but also more safety for the driver, for instance, in case of an emergency. The interior also impresses with its premium-level appearance, rationality clothed in emotions. Typical Volkswagen. Intuitive usability welcomes every driver. Moreover, the active info display and the center console can be adapted to individual preferences. The 9.2-inch capacitive screen forms the heart of the entertainment system. CarNet and App Connect keep the customer connected with the community. The first continuously adjustable adaptive suspension system offers maximum individualization for any driving condition.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Volkswagen Arteon.